Hi everybody and welcome to Harfang High Level tutorials. We will see how to draw a 2D text. So first you need to import Harfang High Level, you rename it HL for simplicity. Then you initialize the window, 512 by 512 pixels. Then you make the game loop, which will update and draw your scene. And inside you call the draw text 2D. We will print hello world and move it 10 pixels from the left and 50 pixels from the bottom. And we have our hello world in green, which is the default value. Now we can add some other text. For example, bonjour. Move it in the middle of the screen, of the window. Twice bigger. We will make it red and say center text. And we have our big bonjour in red and the little green yellow word. And that's it. You know how to draw 2D text. See you soon with new tutorials.